What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Tay Thurman 96. I'm back with you guys, some more footage. I'm sorry for delaying, y'all. I just been at work busy trying to work, but I still been trying to work on these old regular cars at the same time. So today I'm gonna show y'all my 69 Chevelle and the little upgrades that I done did to it, y'all. Stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and share. Thank you. Well, y'all, I just got my car back from the shop and I'm really mad, but I gonna show y'all. So I had a carburetor fire. My carburetor was flooding out and it caught my hood on fire. That's all it did. So I took the carburetor off and decided to add a Holley EF5 on here. I got a new compressor too. I ordered it. It was bad around the wheels, so I took it back and waiting on the new compressor to come. But as y'all can see, I got a Holley EF5 Sniper under here. And man, it runs pretty good. It's still learning itself. It's kind of rich. I put the Holley breather on it. And man, it runs good, y'all. I'm very happy and satisfied with what I have here. Makes the car run smoother, runs better. I would drive to New York by how good it runs. I got a brand new hood over there, y'all. But other than that, man, I really like this Sniper thing, man. It's well worth the money. I would tell anybody, if you got an antique car, to get a Holley Sniper EF5. I'm still learning how to play with the features and learning everything it do, but it has been a very nice upgrade to the car. All right, y'all, so I'm finna try to crank it up on the cold start and see what it does. Pull the emergency brake down. Go to the screen right here. I'm gonna mount it. I still haven't mounted it yet. Let's see what we got here. All right, we got the car in neutral. Say you don't got to pat the gas. We gonna see. Fuel pump on. Ooh, just like that, y'all. No pad, no nothing. It's still in learn mode. Still in learn mode, but sounds good. See the throttle response it has. It's still a little rich, y'all. I haven't just get all the way out yet. But I'm very happy and pleased with the Holley EF5 tuning. Very happy and pleased.